Hi there, I'm Professor Blackmore and I want to welcome you to my course entitled OneNote for Attorneys. In this course, I am going to show you how to make a motion hearing template for your OneNote notebook. I'm going to show you how to add that notebook and how to add pages and sections to your notebook in preparation for your hearing. In addition, I am going to show you how to insert items into your notebook pages, including how to use the Screen Clipper tool. In addition, I am going to show you how to add all different types of media, including photographs, using your Office Lens app on your cell phone, and how to add videos to your notebook in preparation for your motion hearing. Okay, and so here we are, we're going to follow the outline of this particular page. Okay, and so once you have taken the snapshot of it, you can edit it a little bit. And so I may want to take some of the rough edges off of that page. And so now, as you can see, those pages have now synced over to my desktop version. In addition, I am going to show you how you can use your Surface Pro along with your Surface Pro Pen or your Samsung Galaxy Note tablets to take notes, to highlight notes in your notebook in preparation for your hearing. In addition, I am also going to show you how you can then take that handwriting and convert it into text. Plaintiff is to give notice within 7 days. You want to go over to your Draw tab, and then you want to click on your lasso. As you do that, then it will put a box around it. Once you do that, then you can go up here to your ink to text, and it will turn your handwriting into text. I am also going to show you how you can take notes at the time of your hearing to record information like the judge's ruling. I am also going to show you how you can add calendar events so that you can keep up with your to-dos in preparation for your hearing. I am also going to show you how when you add images to your notebook, they are immediately searchable, and the text in any of those photographs are immediately searchable in your OneNote notebook in preparation for your hearing. I am also going to show you how you can replay images and text in your OneNote notebook at the time of your hearing or in your preparation for your motion hearing. Now, this all sounds like a lot of fun, right? So let's get started.